Welcome back to my channel, guys. And boy, oh boy, what I was telling you is actually happened, right? Nitrogen, essentially the developer of the Terrarium TV, has finally implemented the kill switch. So what I mean by that, let me show you. I have here downloaded the clone APK for the Terrarium TV, which is the Cyberflix, of course. So let's go ahead and install the Cyberflix at first. So I have already downloaded it and I will click the install button. Alright, so as you can see, the application has got installed, right? Let me click on done. Alright, and let me go back to the home screen of my device. And as you can see, the clone of the Terrarium TV is right here, right? So let me open it up. Wait, and boom. All right, so finally it has happened. All the clones are also not working, so they are really shitty anyway. And let me just uninstall it and let me show you the patched APK from the Terrarium Ribbon. I have already removed the Terrarium TV from my store because I personally myself don't like any kind of drama. If you are not into it, you are not into it. I am not gonna use it. So that is the mantra I follow that mantra. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's try to install the patched one. Here it is here. I have already installed it, so I have already downloaded it and let's try to install. Alright, it will get installed very nicely. And now let's go back to the home screen. Alright, so as you can see, Terrarium TV is right here. Let's open it up. No more Terrarium TV is finally dead, officially dead. If you know the YouTuber called his name is Bonos, you can always go ahead and check his channel out. And he was live at the moment where I have found out about the Terrarium TV, that it's not working, all the clones are not working. You can always go ahead and check out his channel. So what I'm gonna advise you, that please stay the F away from Terrarium or any kind of clones of it. Alright, Cyberflix, the developer or the modder, I would like to tell him the modder because he's not a developer. Of course, he was just fixing the APK and trying to make some name. No offense, but I personally want him to work on his own project. It is not cool to work on someone else's project as long as they are using their own XML, they are using their own server to provide the content, and what you are gonna fix inside the APK. You are not going to help anyone by doing that. Do your own project, man. Do your own project. So what I'm gonna advise you is that please don't use Terrarium. There are so many applications right now is working very nicely. All right, number one recommendation from me is the Cinema APK, and the number two is the 𝐶𝐸, and number 3 is FreeFlix, and number 4 is TTV, and number 5 is Jetbox. Alright, so let me show you that every single thing is in my store. You can easily access to them. Alright, so whenever you will open up my store, the code is very easy peasy, 13131313 for port times 13. Click on continue and then it will ask you for a pin code 4545. Click on continue and boom, you are inside my store. So in my store you will not find any kind of shitey like Terrarium. Alright, I'm really let me control my emotion here. So inside my store you will find every single APK that are working as of this date. Alright, so just scroll down a little bit. Here you will find Cinema APK. It is the latest version of the Cinema APK. Also the Jetbox, FreeFlix, every single thing inside my store is up to date. And if you find any APK is not up to date, you can always use the comment section of this video to let me know and I will update the APK. Alright, TTV is also here and 𝐶𝐸 is also here. Alright, I have already reviewed the 𝐶𝐸 yesterday, so I will also put the link of 𝐶𝐸 inside the description of this video so that you can easily find out what to do with 𝐶𝐸. Every single thing I have explained about 𝐶𝐸 and Cinema APK in at least 4 of my videos. Alright, so I will also make an exclusive video for Flipflix HQ as well as for the TTV, because these two are really mint. Maybe they were following the scraper module of Terrarium TV, but the good thing about them is they are working on their own projects. So that is everything about this video. I really hope you guys understand the motive behind this video, and I personally don't recommend any kind of Terrarium anymore. Alright, it was great, no doubt about it, but it has gone. It has gone, so no need to use it. So I'm not spreading the scaremongering here. I'm just giving you a heads up and what I personally think about Terrarium TV. Also, Morpheus TV is still working, guys, so why don't you use the Morpheus TV? Why all these fools about this Terrarium TV which is already gone? So alright, so that is everything about this video, guys. I will see you in my next videos, and goodbye everyone, take care. This video is brought to you by IPVanish VPN. If you want to stay secure and safe online, all you have to do is use this link, which is http://bit.ly/bestVPN ever. Whenever you will come over this website using this link, all you have to do is click on the start now, and then you will find a deal for 2 years for only $374 per month, which is only $89.99 USD per 2 years, and that is instead of $287. So that is a huge amount of discount for the IPVanish VPN deal, and I will place every single thing inside the description of this video for you to find out easily.